Take a look at this. Two groups of Zulu ladies, Team Blue and Team Green, seated gracefully in their circles, while their representatives take turns at the center stage. When the green representative dances, she passes the rhythm and the spotlight to the blue side. What a beautiful exchange! I just love their smiles, passion, and the energy as they sing and dance gracefully. Now, usually, when we think about dance competitions, it's about winning, it's about skills, or maybe beating the other team. But this isn't a competition that we are looking for a winner. This is different. This is culture at its finest. This is Zulu Reed Dance, one of the most sacred rites of passage for young Zulu maidens in South Africa. It's not just about movement, it's about culture, pride, and identity. And you can feel it, the passion, the joy, and the smiles, and the vibrant energy radiating from every step. This is more than a dance, it's a celebration of heritage, unity, and womanhood. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Avadada TV, because we've got more coming your way.